Okay, I just got news. OpenAI dropped operator. I'm not sure if this is the right page, but operator should be like a browser use version of OpenAI and a computer use version of Anthropic's computer use or Claude's computer use. And it's basically the same thing. AI agents controlling your browser. I can find wherever. Yeah, so check out Operator, but I'm sure browser use would offer a lot more flexibility, especially for developers. All right, so back to the code so far. Um, in the previous video, I tried running the main.py Python file, and I had issues and errors, and I think the errors happened for two reasons. First of all, I had not started any of the dependent containers I depend on. Yeah, which is like the Redis container and the flower container and the celery worker container. And I have these started now. And if you were trying to figure out why am I starting containers, remember, like I got that whole um, I got this whole setup, which is some containers that have the that just make sure I can um, have a job queue running, and they are from a repository I got on GitHub. I'm wasting time doing this um, refresher, but yeah, if you have run the whole setup, you should have those containers running, and um, you should also the um, requirements file on the container might be old. It might have you installing Redis like 5.01, and that might throw an error. So try and install the latest versions of Celery and Redis. In, okay, so back to the code. Um, so the I have here the path, which should be like the tax name, right? Which I think is like a path and then the tax name, a path to the file that contains the task and then the tax name. And the path to this file would be, it wouldn't be in Celery. From here, it would be in task. And from task, I'd have, so I'm just going to hit this and delete because I think that um, that works better. I think you can assign this. All right, and let's just print text. All right, save. Let's see. We'll try and run this. Oh, it's just doing nothing. Strange. Let's check the flower stuff that monitors job queue. Nope, nothing. No tasks in there. And we have this worker, which is the worker that's running right now from our container. And whenever I click on this, it does nothing. I think it just a no worker, blah 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 blah. Okay, so if this isn't doing okay, I have an error, which is cool. Connecting to Redis, temporary name resolution failed. Um, okay, now this is one of those errors that happen and make you really question your decision to become a developer. I'll fix this and I'll be right back.